Mathura is among the 117 seats that go to vote tomorrow in the 6th phase of elections. We caught up with a bunch of young college students who study in the same college in Mathura but come from different parts of the state. Now, these first-time voters have already made plans to head home on voting day to make sure they get their fingers inked. Take a look.
Many say the youth of this country will hold the key to who forms the next government at the centre. We come to you from the GLA University here in Mathura, where there's an interesting bunch of first-time voters. What is more important for you? Are issues more important, or personalities, or political parties?
Ma'am, issues is more important for me.
Okay.
I choose that person which improve our issues. I take example for Agra. Agra is an international city, but the development of Agra is not at the level.
I want a leader who can raise our issues in the parliament.
Often people thought that, voting is a day when you can actually just take the day off and go out and have fun.
I think that the day for voting should be the most important day for youth. Ma'am, because on this day we are choosing our leader.
And how important is job security for you? Because you're all in college. In another few years, you'll all be looking for jobs yourself.
Employment is the main thing for us. As we are studying in college, we want a good placement in future.
Voting is a basic right. So I think we should vote for the country. It's for our own benefit.
Girls are not safe. She cannot move at night from one place to another. Rapes are increasing day by day.
Nowadays, still there are many parents who are not supporting them for go from their hometown and go somewhere else and go and study there.
We have now a new option of Nota, none of the other above option.
If we will vote for Nota, so the person who is leading in the vote, he will try to understand that my party has some lackings, has some issues, so that's why people are not interested in me. So that will help us in just increasing, in just enhancing their capabilities and our also.
In Western Uttar Pradesh, one of the things people talk about is caste politics. That no matter how progressive you talk about politicians or leaders coming in, it never goes beyond caste.
You should think of unanimous vote. When you're giving a vote, you should not go on caste. You should basically see that where it is taking your country to.
We all are resident of India. So basically we vote for India. It's not for single caste. If I'm a Brahmin, then I'll not be voting for only for Brahmins.
This time, a single name has been is coming up. We want to cast our vote to the whole party, not to the only a single person.
Uselessly they are pointing each other, which I think is not of use. Beside of pointing others, you should focus on your work.
Now, if I were to ask you all as youngsters, 1, 2 or 3 things that are most important to you in election 2014.
I want an environment that is much more safer for girls, an environment in which girls can move out just like boys do.
That we should vote for the right person, growth, the economy, the women empowerment, education system. So these are all the factors that hampers the growth of our country.
The government is fulfilling the basic needs of a common man.
The biggest problem in India is poverty.
The view here seems to be that people are willing to make their leaders more accountable. In Mathura, with camera person Biswajit Das, Ketki Angre for NDTV.